So why are you feeling bored today?
I have nothing to do.
So I have a topic for you. Very lovely topic. Do you want to debate on it with me?
Yes, of course.
So do you want to take interest? What is the topic I have? So I have a topic like what are the pros and cons of the vehicles? Why important? Why vehicles are important for our life? So do you want to take interest?
Yes, of course. We will have knowledge about vehicles and its merits and demerits.
Okay, let's get started. Or debate. I can say debate. It would be more interesting. So which side do you want to take? Merits or demerits?
I could take both sides, but I will take cons.
Okay, so who will start first?
Pros.
Pros. Okay, so I'll take pros and I'm starting. So pros, so many pros is there vehicles. First I would like to talk about time saving. Okay, when we use vehicle, then there will we save our time also, because whether it is school, colleges and office.
But I understand they save time, but they also pollute our environment.
So but we have to save time also. So if we are not using vehicle, then it will take more than 1 hour.
So we can use electronic vehicles also.
So electronics vehicles are too much costly for each and everybody. There is no availability of money. So if we don't have much money, then how we can purchase on that?
I understand that everyone could not afford the electronic vehicles, but in other countries, it is not like that.
So other countries amount is good. They are earning too much good. But in India, I can say they are not aware of that thing. I can say one of the region. It can be one of the region. They are not aware of the electronic vehicles. What are the pros and cons? So they are using.
They are not using electronic vehicles, but they are using city bus, which not pollute much, and they also use sometimes electronic cycles, which are not too costly.
Cycles are not costly. We should use cycle. I am not opposing your this thing like cycle, but cycle also takes too much time. In 20 kilometers, cycle will take half an hour, more than half an hour.
But
so we don't have much time. So how we will overcome of that thing?
But in earlier days, people didn't take the job of far offices. They took the jobs of the offices which are near of their house, because they had to go from their cycles.
For earlier days, what availability of the things you can say space, but nowadays too much population is there, so there is no availability of space. So that's why office, colleges are made out of the city also. So it is not possible to reach out a little bit within a time. So if suppose your school timing is 7 at 7 o'clock in morning, and if you are using cycle, then how much time it will take? Too much time it will take. So what you would choose at that time? You would choose definitely any van, any bus, school bus. It can be van or scooty.
But we can also use city bus for that. The students which are going school have the school bus, the school property. But the general persons have city bus available for them.
City bus is available, but sometimes we didn't get on time. As per time, like my time is 8 o'clock. I'm not getting at that time city bus. So my job I will reach on my job at my job place in late. So my boss will deduct my salary.
But it's not like that. If the government will ban these e-vehicles and petrol vehicles, then the boss will also understand that that's the matter.
But government is not taking an action. That's the main reason. If government want, then definitely will use and will restrict so many vehicles. But what we can do if government is not taking action, government doesn't want to take action. So it's not our fault. What we can do for the government?
But if the population of our country makes the government understand these things, then it will be possible. I have seen a video yesterday night that air population in our country is increasing because of the vehicles.
Yeah, you are right here. I'm not saying you are wrong here. Air pollution is very much not healthier for our health, and it is injurious for our health, air pollution. But we don't have a much accommodation is providing by the government is not providing too much facilities. In foreign country they are providing too much availability of the city bus and each and everything. That's why they are using cycle and all. But here in India especially, we people are not getting understand that our fault is this, that we are using too much vehicles. Because in every families, if in our family 3 people are there, so 3 vehicles should be available nowadays. That is the I can say what we can say, that is important for us. Because if suppose 3 person are there, mommy is also going there for her job, papa is also going his job, and one of the child also go college and school, wherever he goes. So 3 vehicles is need for our family. So what we can do?
But mummy and papa are going, they can also pick up and drop their child to the college or school where they are going.
No, you are wrong here. It is not time managing issue is there, na. Boss is not leaving according to their time. Boss leave their colleague only that time. Then time is enough, and time is like 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock is your closing time. Then boss will leave to you.
But it's only in India. It's not in other countries. The time management in other countries should be like in India.
Should be like in India, but who can make them understand, make our government to understand? Then they have to prohibited only more than vehicle in a family. More than one vehicle is prohibited, should be there, right? But they are not doing such type of thing, and people are buying car along with bike, along with scooties. So this is necessity I can say. That's why they are buying now, they are purchasing.
But if we want to make the government understand, we can. That the air in India is very poor in rating according to the other countries. But according to India, the air of India is very moderate, very good.
Yeah.
According to the report of India, the most polluted city of India last year was, which you can guess, what?
I don't have idea. If you have, then tell me.
If you will say Delhi, it's wrong. If you will say UP and Bihar, it's very wrong. But the city of Assam, which is very green and has very clean rivers, is the most air polluted.
But that area is very green area. So how can you say that is most polluted?
But according to the IQ report of the last year, it's according to that.
Okay.
And the water of our country is very polluted. The people of our country are bathing there, cleaning our clothes, and also throwing the dead bodies in the river like Yamuna, Ganga.
But they don't have the place. That's why they are using. That's why they are using.
So you will use the water to throw the bones?
So what they do? They what they else they can do for it? If you have idea, then tell me.
They can put the bones in the soil. After the body is being fired, then it should be, the bones should be in the soil.
Okay.
But they are in the water and polluting the water. The flowers, the leaves from the worship are also thrown in the rivers.
Yeah.
You can say.
In Kumbh Mela, I have seen, which you are telling to me, in Kumbh Mela, during Kumbh, I have seen so many people were there, and they are name of the worship. They are throwing actually so many flowers, so many clothes, so many dirt also through the in the river, into the river. That is I consider. I'm considering you are telling to write, but I can say this is the faith of the people. Because of their faith, because they know so many saints we have told, then this type worship is good for your house, good for your
Yes,
wealth.
that's like that. But the flowers and leaves are also biodegradable. They can be decomposed in the soil. So the according to the matter, they should be in the soil, decomposed in the soil.
But they used to say that you are going to pure yourself into the river. When they will take bath into the river, then you firstly you have to worship to the river. And what kind of
But
worship do you
it's
have
the
to?
water pollution.
So
increasing.
they are managing their worship. They don't have idea of they are in it is injurious for for the people.
If
And
you see the report of last year Mahakumbh, if you see the news, then you can see about the Ganga river. They were telling that now in back years the Yamuna and Ganga were very clean and the water was able to drink also. But now the people could not drink. If they will drink, they will get infection. And after some years, the Ganga and Yamuna will be dry in Mahakumbh.
yeah, you can say yes, I have seen a video also
Yes,
on it.
the picture of Ganga after few years, how it will be, is also shown in news.
So what do you think? Are for government it should be banned the vehicles, like only one vehicle should be available in one house, one family. So do you suppose that? Do you think like this is right?
Yes, this is very much right. And if this happens, the polluted air of our India will get decreased.
Yeah. So I consider your thoughts, and I am also joining to you at the last, because I also feel like sometime it's injurious for our health, because so many vehicles available in our family, so this is injurious for health. Janvi, you are right actually. And anything you want to add it?
Yes, I want to tell our viewers that be safe and avoid the use of vehicles as much you can, and be safe in the polluted air.
So we should, it's our duty, we should not throw garbage in air and in the open place, and in the river and somewhere else. We should keep proper garbage in a garbage vehicle, and we should not use more vehicle when you have a very particular like peak time that you are not restricted yourself. You have to use, this is the time I have to use, then you can use. Otherwise you should not use like for the short going, that in vicinity, if you want for 10 for like 1 or 10 steps, if you want. But so many children use sometime some types, like they, if they want to go in the vicinities shop, they use vehicle, so they should prohibit it there for themselves, right?
Yes,
So-
as much they can prohibit, they should.
Yeah, so they should restrict from their self. If otherwise our government is not taking an action, and if government take action, then we are not restrict ourselves.
And because of this polluted air, every day many of newborn child die.
Yeah,
Because they breathe in more air than us, and the bacteria of the air, polluted air go in their lungs, and the lungs are not able to work properly, and because of that they die.
that's why the cause of heart attack, sometimes people are going and they sudden attack. So that is the cause, one of the cause I can say.
And with the blood they also go. The blood pumped through the heart is also gone to the vessels and many integral organs of our
So
body.
can we stop here our topic? It's too long we talked. So have you enjoyed?
Yes, I enjoyed very much, and I'm feeling nice to give you knowledge about these topics.
So hope you everybody likes this video. What do you think?
Yes, I
So thanks, and for enjoying with me. I also enjoyed.
and now I'm feeling my boring day a good day.
Thank
Bye.
you.